Greetings from Jamaica to Jamaica. You're in Jamaica, Queens, where many of the people from this district come from the island of Jamaica. We take it personal when something happens in the Caribbean. I am State Senator James Sanders Jr. I am blessed to represent the talented 10th Senatorial District, where we have poured out our hearts to the people of Jamaica. Not just our hearts, we have put some things in the truck. We're about to fill the truck. We decided to talk first before we fill because there will be no room in it. Just as there is plenty of room in our heart for what you are doing. We really appreciate your foundation. We got it from very good, we looked around and we want to know who's really doing work on the ground in Jamaica. And of course the JAHJAH Foundation quickly was brought to our attention. If you got Jah in your name, you already got me.
Absolutely.
So
Absolutely.
Under those conditions, we are very grateful for what you're doing, and we only ask that you make sure that the needy people of Jamaica get this. We have the poorest should get first. Those who don't have should get first, sir. That is our only request.
Right, so Senator, you're here with Dr. Trevor Dixon, founder and CEO of the JAHJAH Foundation. Why was it so important for you to make this rally in the community for the beautiful people of Jamaica?
Well, there's a moral reason. We are one. We went through Hurricane Sandy up here, where many of us barely survived it, and we caught hell in it, and people from all throughout the world aided us. So we feel that we need to give back. You could give a political reason. Imagine if I did not do anything for the people of Jamaica, and so many of the folk up here from Jamaica. That wouldn't go over well.
No,
Man could lose an election right there, as he should, if he did not. Yeah. But more than anything, we appreciate the island of Jamaica and the beautiful Stone Rock children that it has sent forward to us. Hey, Nesta sent me.
Right, Robert Nesta Marley.
That's right.
All right, so Dr. Dixon, what would you like to say to the Senator on behalf of the JAHJAH Foundation and the beautiful people of Jamaica?
Well, on behalf of one human being to the next.
Yes.
That's what it's all about, you know. It's about being a human being, okay? And reaching within your heart to say, you know what? If this was me, what would I expect? And that's what it's all about. I mean, it's kind of unique that, you know, Jamaica, Queens, and Jamaica, the island, you know, those two have always have a close bond, you know. People say, where are you from? You say Jamaica. You mean Jamaica, Queens, or Jamaica, Jamaica? So God doesn't make mistakes, you know. He makes things the way how He wants them. He wants to make it. And Senator, you know, there are many in your position who look the other way. You know, there are many in your position who look the other way. I mean, look at how many senators are helping Jamaica.
Well.
Right? But thank you so much for being a human being first. Okay? It's not about politics. It's about a human being. Because you could have just said, you know what? Nah. There's so much help going to Jamaica right now. Why me? But everything, you know, as they say in Jamaica, one cocoa fills the basket. So, and this is going to go on for many months. Okay? People be suffering for many months, many years. You know, people who have a home for 50 years, they take time and build their home for 50 years, and their home has been wiped out. No more. Okay? And we go to bed every night, and they go into cars sometimes to sleep. They go into what they call shelter, and the shelters in Jamaica are not like shelters here. You know, so grateful for you, grateful for your staff, your wonderful staff here in Jamaica, Queens. Jamaica Queens stood up today, and I'm proud to be, you know, a Jamaican, and I'm proud to live in New York City, and I'm proud to drive through the cities of Jamaica Queens. Driving through Jamaica Queens will never be the same for me again because of the kindness that you guys have shown for the people of Jamaica through the JAHJAH Foundation. And you can bet your bottom dollar that these things are going to go to those who need it, okay? We have an amazing team of Jamaicans down in Jamaica who will make sure that those who are in need get these much needed supplies. And thank you again from the bottom of my heart. One love, JAHJAH Foundation.
One love. I want to thank the folk who have worked. I'm getting the credit, but they have done the real work. My staff has worked morning, noon, and night to try to put it all together, and they you know, they absolutely deserve key credit. But I would be remiss if I did not thank the 149th Block South Ozone Park Civic Association, or the radio station. Wait a minute, one more time.
Sound Chat Radio.
Sound Chat, man, I tell you, man, Sound Chat went out there. They did more than give a sound chat. They gave a shout out that was given back, and the people just poured their hearts out.
Yeah, big up the whole crew, Bobby Digital, Harris and Chin, yes, and Cheryl South and the whole crew. Thank them for the support and pushing it out there, letting the folks know about the work that the JAHJAH Foundation been doing.
Yes, and any other organization that we have not spoken of, please forgive that. Anybody else? This is your moment. What organizations here didn't we speak of?
The police.
A little bit louder.
Rockaway Beach Civic Association.
Oh, absolutely.
That's right.
Man.
Branch 2313B and the Neighborhood Advisory Board for Queens South, and finally Community Action Board.
Thank you so
I
much.
like them all. I like them all. Who else? Who else did I forget? Come on now.
Let's thank God for making this happen.
The NYPD and Home Depot. Home Depot. They came through. Wait. Our pharmacy across the street came through with medical supplies. Sahara Building Supplies. They came through. There's so many groups that came through. If we were to do that, we'd never get this stuff to Jamaica, which is what is needed.
We thank them all the folks who contributed to this initiative. Thank you so much.
So on behalf of one Jamaican to another.
Thank you so much.